Let's talk about the magic of manifestation. You've probably heard about vision boards, cutting out pictures, pasting them on a board, and hoping your dream life shows up. But here's the secret, a vision board isn't just an arts and crafts project. It's a powerful tool to align your energy with what you want to manifest. And today, I'm not just teaching you how to make a vision board, I'm teaching you how to make one that actually works for manifestation. Ready to supercharge your dreams? Let's do this. Step 1. Get laser focused on your vision. Manifestation starts with clarity. What do you really want? Don't hold back or stay vague, this is your chance to dream unapologetically big. Ask yourself, what does my dream life look like? What kind of relationships do I want? How do I want to feel every day? Write it down. Be detailed. Don't just say, I want more money. Instead, say, I want to earn $10,000 a month doing work I love. Clarity creates alignment. Step 2. Gather your supplies. This is your manifestation toolkit. To manifest, you need a physical reminder of your vision. Here's what you'll need: a board, any kind works, as long as it excites you, magazines, printed pictures, or even online image cutouts, scissors, glue, tape, markers, and maybe some sparkly stuff. If it feels fun, add it. Create a cozy vibe while you work. Light candles, play uplifting music. And set the energy with an intention, like, this vision board will help me manifest my dreams effortlessly. Step 3. Pick images and words that feel aligned. This is where manifestation gets powerful. Don't just choose random pictures, choose images that make your heart skip a beat. If you want to manifest a dream home, find a picture that feels like your home. If you're manifesting love, add images or quotes that represent your ideal relationship. For abundance, find symbols like money, luxury items, or phrases like financial freedom. The key is emotional connection. Your vision board should light you up every time you look at it. Step 4. Infuse your board with high-vibe affirmations. Manifestation is all about aligning your thoughts with your goals. Add powerful affirmations to your board, like, I am attracting my dream life with ease. I am worthy of all the abundance coming my way. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. Write them boldly and place them where you'll see them daily. These words will rewire your subconscious mind to believe in your dreams. Step 5. Assemble your board with intention. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. Take your time arranging your images and affirmations in a way that feels intuitive. While you're working, visualize yourself already living this dream life. Imagine the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude you'll feel. This energy is key. It's like hitting send on your manifestation request to the universe. Step 6. Place your board in your manifestation hotspot. Your vision board is a daily reminder of what you're manifesting, so don't tuck it away. Place it where you'll see it every day, above your bed, in your workspace, or even as a digital version on your phone or laptop background. Every time you see it, pause for a moment and feel grateful, as if your dreams are already real. Step 7. Take inspired action. The universe loves a mover. Here's the thing about manifestation. A vision board isn't a magic wand, it's a tool. To manifest your dreams, you need to meet the universe halfway. If you're manifesting a career breakthrough, start networking or updating your skills. If it's love, put yourself out there. For financial abundance, explore opportunities that align with your goals. Action is the bridge between your vision and reality. And that's it, your step-by-step guide to making a vision board that actually works for manifestation. Remember, this isn't just about cutting and pasting, it's about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions with your dreams. Your vision board is your daily reminder that everything you desire is already on its way to you. If you're ready to manifest your dream life, hit that like button, share this video, and comment below with the first thing you're adding to your vision board. Until next time, keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep chasing your magic. You've got this.